Hi.
Brothers and sisters,
Good night.
Good
once
night.
again we are gathered together in God's presence to hear about the good news of salvation. It's a pleasure to be with you, and it's a pleasure to have all you. And in spite that we are in a busy country and in a busy state, some of us has take time to come to listen and to worship the Most High God. So give him praise and give him glory.
Amen.
Let me just say that tonight I count it a pleasure and a privilege to be speaking on behalf of God. Anytime we are speaking for God, it is a great thing because